Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I will tell you about this app known as TESTM. This app is used to check your phone if it is working correctly or not. You can check your phone's hardware and get hardware information. First of all, we need to go to the Play Store and download the TESTM app. Simply press download and wait for it to finish the installation. The Play Store download link will also be given in the description, so you can download it from there. So in this about the section, you can see everything that is really great about this app. You can test your camera, sensors, hardware, motion, gestures, gyro, and everything all between. Now the app is downloaded. Let's open it up. So this is how it looks on startup. We're just gonna go next and next. And now here you are given some options. You can check your screen, sound, motion, connectivity, hardware, and camera to be specific, or you can just check your battery information right from here in the menu section. But if you want to check your test screen, you can check everything you want. Okay, but let me show you some other stuff as well. Here is, you can see your phone's information. This is the information that is currently showing. I am using a 1080p screen, so that is why the resolution is quite less than 1440p. So there's that. Also, we need to run the full tests. That is always recommended. Scratch to clear the screen. This is how you can see if there is some damage to your screen done or not. If the screen is working correctly, you can check your speakers. You will listen to the numbers that it will say, and you need to type right here, as you can see right now. But I can't show you this right now because I am using screen recording, so that is why you cannot hear the sounds, but trust me, you will hear it when you're testing your own phone. We can test our microphone right here, but I'm gonna skip it right now because I am screen recording and microphone is disabled, as I am voice overing on an editor app. You can check your phone, check the accelerometer, check your compass, everything that you have already installed on your phone. You can check it right from this app. You do not need specific codes like the Samsung code I showed you in my previous video, but if you're using any other phone, you can use this app to test everything about your device. You can test your Wi-Fi just like here. Also, you can test your Bluetooth if it is working or not. You can check your GPS, light sensor. If you're having doubt about any issue on your phone, you can specifically check your device for that. Let me show you if I'm gonna check the charger right here. I have not connected the charger, so let's see. It says charger is not working. Let's plug in my phone and then we will try this test again. Okay, now I have plugged in my phone. Now as you can see, it is now charging. Let's try this again. Let's start it, and now it will show the charging is working correctly or not. If anything is broken, it will show you right here. You can test your hardware buttons. You can test your phone's vibration, count the vibrations, how many times it vibrates. This is a neat trick. Mostly I like it because of the games. Okay, you can test your phone's proximity sensor. Okay, it is working. You can test your fingerprint, but I'm gonna skip it right now because I have already tested it using the code method and my phone is pretty much in a great condition. You can also count the flashes to see if the phone's flashes are working correctly or not. Okay, it's working pretty nice. And also you can create your free report, which is very good in case you want to show it or share it with someone. Just hit on create report, and here you can see this is the report of your phone. These are everything that you need to know about your phone, and we also have some test results that we just tried here. Some are unchecked because I skipped them, but if you wanna use every one of them, you will see that your phone is pretty much in great condition or it is somewhat having some problems. You can create report anytime and test anytime you want. You can also share this app to someone who needs it. or if you are using phones regularly. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching.